So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix this remote not working on TV, address code, IR and remote fix. So fix 1 is check batteries and line of sight. Remove all batteries and replace them with new ones, ensuring proper alignment of positive and negative end. Unplug the power cord for the primary dish TV receiver from the wall outlet. Wait 10 to 30 seconds before plugging the power cord back in. Allow up to 10 minutes for the receiver to fully reboot. Second fix is repair the remote to the receiver. Press the system info button on the front panel of the dishwasher receiver. Press the set button on the dish remote. Listen for 3 ascending beeps or watch for mode lights to flash, confirming successful pairing. Press the back or cancel button to exit the system info screen. Third fix is use the TV pairing wizard. Press the home button twice on the menu button once depending on your remote model. Navigate to setting, then remote control. Select TV, then choose pairing wizard. Select your TV brand from the list. Follow the on-screen instruction. The receiver will test code automatically. Fourth fix is perform a factory reset. Open the battery cover and remove the batteries. Press and hold the recover or set button for 10 seconds. Reinsert the batteries and test the remote. For advanced models, consider factory resetting the receiver. Thanks for watching.